In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to search for products online on Target. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now here you're going to find this search box. Type in the product name that you want to purchase. After you type in, click on search. Target will display a list of matching products. To narrow down your results, use the available filters. You can filter by category, brand, price range, customer ratings, availability, size, color, and more. You can also sort the results by relevance, price, low to high, price, high to low, top rated, or newest depending on your preference. If you want to check whether an item is available at a nearby Target store, make sure you have selected your preferred store or enabled location access. The product page will show whether the item is available for pickup, same-day delivery where available, shipping, or if it's currently out of stock. Tap on any product to view its full details, including photos, descriptions, specifications, customer reviews, pricing, available colors or sizes, and delivery or pickup option. If you are ready to buy, simply add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. And that's it. This is how you can easily search for products online using the Target app or website. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.